Hey everyone, this is Mike from Mike's Do It Yourself. Today I want to show you how to fix your hose bib where it's leaking out the top. Now the first thing you want to do is to turn off your water, your main water. And so this valve goes up to here, and then that will go into the house. So then you can relieve the pressure by just turning the handle. And once that pressure is relieved, you want to go ahead and take this nut off, and you want to hold this with something so it doesn't turn on you. Hold it like that. And this is a 1-inch flare wrench, but yours may differ depending on the size of your hose bib. And that's what it looks like there. So there are different kinds of washers. Now this one has a little bit of a flare at the bottom, and there are flat washers. So you'll just want to make sure you replace it with the right kind of washer. And once you get a new washer in there, go ahead and just tighten up the screw. Make sure you put this back together the way it goes. And you may need to replace this O-ring also, so just keep that in mind. Now to keep this hose bib from leaking up at the top here where the neck is at, so whenever I turn this on, the water was coming out from here and dripping down. So I could buy the internal parts in here, or what I ended up doing was just buying the whole thing. And then if you don't want to buy the whole thing, they will sell a kit that includes this top section here. And you may or may not have to buy a handle for it if you can't reuse your old handle. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like here. again, to take this apart, the first thing you'll want to do is hold the bottom. And you may be thinking, why can't I just take it off from here? This is most likely soldered on. So unless you're really good at soldering, you'll want to leave that connected. Like hook the hose back up. Close it, turn the water supply back on. Now this had to be tightened just a little bit more to stop leaking out the top. But it does have a gasket right here, or an O-ring. So you don't need to put any Teflon tape or anything on these threads, because this gasket, once it's tightened down enough, it won't leak out of there. So now with the water on, I'm not getting any leaks around here or around here. So I hope this has been helpful. This has been Mike from Mike's Do It Yourself. Good luck on your next home or automotive project. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.